Well, let's take a quick look round Costco tools and equipment. So we'll start off with the racking. Some good quality racking here. I always find the Costco racking always seems really good quality, and I buy the plastic ones from here, which I'll show you in a minute because I'm going to get another one while I'm here. I buy them every now and again. Shelley has them for her business, and I'm gonna need one for in my little workshop area, so I thought I'd get the same one. But yeah, that there, good big size. These are the ones I get. I really rate these. The plastic really strong. Take literally 5 minutes to put together. £29.99 plus the VAT, so I think it's about 34 quid something. But I can't rate them highly enough. They are superb. So step ladders. Anybody wants some step ladders? I think these are they the electrical rated ones? I'm not too sure. You get different types of steps, don't you? TD Davis, so it's a good brand, that. And then you've got some more basic type ladders. Always useful having a set of ladders if you can put them in your shed or something. So we'll come to like the sort of trolleys for moving stuff about. I bought one of these on a previous visit. I've not actually opened it yet, but it's going to come in useful. I bought it and I've not used it. I bet a lot of you can relate to that, can't you guys, eh? So this here looks really good. The quality of it was superb when I was manhandling it. You know, for moving bits around. Especially if you're getting a bit older and that, and you know, everything's about boxes and that. That is superb, really. And then the sack trucks, that again looks really good deal on them. I couldn't believe the price of these elsewhere, but that looks a really good deal because the quality of them was really good. These ones I don't rate too much. I seen a friend of mine, he had one of these, and although he liked it, I just thought there was just too much going on, if that makes sense to you. If you want a sack truck, you just want a sack truck, don't you? And the price really don't want it. Straps, clamp, all down straps, is that what they are? Ratchet straps, that's what the word I was looking for. Dash cam, while I was passing, I've just seen it and I thought I'd put it in. I know it's a good brand, this, and I'm not sure whether that's a good price. So, trolley jack, again, a big, huge, robust thing. £107 with the VAT. And the car mats, good brand, Michelin. I mean, I was looking at these thinking, could I use one of these or something? That's how it gets me sometimes. And no, I can't. I didn't buy one in the end. But they just look really good. So they've got a couple of new drills in here. I'm not sure about the prices, but I mean, I don't need any of this. I've got all my drills and stuff, but I just thought I'd show them you. Now this comes as a kit with a drill, so you've got that all that sort of at the front, and then you've got the drill, charger and battery at the back, and it comes in at £119 with the tax. Now this looks good if you're like a beginner woodworker. Metabo, I've done a bit more research on Metabo tools, and some of them are really good. Some of them are not so good, but some of them are really good. Don't know what this is like, so guys, if you've got this, put it in the comments. Other people will see it. Somebody might be wanting to buy one as the first, might have saw. We've seen these before. They don't seem to sell very well in here, these. Maybe it's because of the price. I think £17.98's not a bad price for a good branded tool like Bosch, and it's the professional range. So again, that is £17.98. Titanium set. And this Leatherman, I've seen this brand, I've just become aware of this brand. Supposed to be really good. And let's hope so at that price, £47.98. And then chisels, for a good set of first chisels, I don't think you can go wrong with these for the price. Come in a box as well. So that's $47.98 with the tax. A good gift idea for, you know, buying someone for Christmas that's into the woodworking. I've had one of these in the past. I can't rate these highly enough. These are really good. The price is not bad. When I bought mine, it was a little bit cheaper, but this Keta brand seems to do some really good sort of products. A DeWalt ratchet set and screws, spanner set, sorry. Black chrome. Ooh, that sounds posh, doesn't it? If you're into your levels, this is a 3-pack levels here. I'm trying to show you best as I can. Stabila. So I think that's a German brand, is it? Trade pack. £30 plus the tax. Now these is a twin pack organisers, and they're not T-stack compatible, these, so just bear that in mind. But still not a bad price. And this is this Keto, whatever the brand, how you pronounce it again, this toolbox. And I did have a good look at it off camera, and it is of really good quality. It is really good quality as well. The Hawk Pro. And then like a DeWalt tool bag there. Seems good quality again. Nice and rugged, robust. Don't think you can go wrong with that price neither, to be honest. Hydra hide leather work gloves. There you go. If you want some work gloves, keep your fingers nice and warm. I've had one of these in the past and a mixed sort of feelings about it. I found it really good. Then it packed up on me and I couldn't get it fixed. But when it was working, it was exceptionally good. I don't know if it was just one I got, but I did put it through a lot, to be fair. Now, these are something I don't know about. I'll just sort of get them in the video and get you the prices. Generators. And then you've got this sort of jet washer. Petrol, is it? Yeah, it's got to be petrol. Yeah, it has. Yeah, petrol. $359. I hope it's good for that price and all. These look handy, don't they? You know, if you sort of have trouble bending over and that in your workshop, and little bits of wood falling on the floor and bits of paper and stuff. Well, you know, might be handy, mightn't there? There's me just getting me rack while I'm here. And these like little cool boxes, I see these about all over, and I can't believe the price of some of them. You know, if you're into sort of camping, fishing, that kind of stuff, just going away, you know, might be really handy. You've got a few kids. Now, I would have this. If I had the space, I would have this. These are really good quality. The Costco own branded ones, the Kirkland branded ones, and I did have a real good look at it. And I was super impressed by it. And what was more, I was super impressed by the price, because you can pay like massive money for them. And that there is $599.99, so call it £600 with the tax. Extension lead cable, I just thought I'd get that in. Well, I'm here. Belkin, a good brand there. And these are super handy. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and let's get on to the next one. Get some of them. They look really good. Cheers, guys. Next time.